Hey guys, how's everybody doing? So we actually decided we wanted to start painting and doing a little bit of remodeling on houses. So we started painting an exterior house for a client. It took us about 5 days to get it complete, but we finally did it. The house was in pretty rough shape, as you can see right here. We had to scrape the whole thing. Then we had to put caulking in spots that needed it. Took us about 2 days to scrape the whole house, but we finally got it done. Then we started priming the house. That took about a day and a half to prime the whole house. After that, we started spraying it. She wanted a gray color, darker gray on the whole house, and the trim was white. The fascia was kind of rough, but we got it done. A couple of the windows are needing to be replaced, and we'll probably do that for her soon. Everyone did a great job. I appreciate it. They all worked hard, and we got the job done. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and comment, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And enjoy the video, guys.
About the size of the chainsaw.
Areas that may need a little bit extra coverage. The back of the house,
What's up, guys? So this is the house we're working on right now. We painted the whole outside. We did all the trim, and you guys will see in the video how bad the house was before. So we'll go over here and take a look at what they're doing, and you'll kind of get an idea of what the house looked like before only that white wasn't on there. We scraped all the paint off and we painted it. So it looks really good now. In a minute I'll show you guys the front. We should be done with the job today. We worked on it for 5 days. Alright, here's a better view of what we've done. We did the fascia, which was alright, but it was a little rough. Alright, one of the sides. So this side, the other side's gonna look like this side, only the windows on the other side will be replaced with a frame on them. Alright, and I'll show you guys the front. Hold on. And this is the front. This side was the roughest. As you can see the difference from the right to the left. Alright guys, well I'll be back in a bit when we're done and I'll show you the final product. Alright.